Who likes pals? I do too, especially PEZ pals. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on a PEZomania edition of the PEZ book. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, can you see out there the DBP 818829? The only patent number I have memorized completely. Here we see an IMC2. Just having a discussion with somebody. I'm not sure if it was just pals and Disney at the IMC2, but that's the one I refer to as the Overflow Injection Mold Company. Here we see the Groom. If you look here where it goes in, there's these little extra pieces of plastic. That's always cool to see that, because it lets you know this one hasn't been played with much. It has a lot of shelf time on this piece. Nice metal head spring here. But yes, I don't have a bride for this Groom. Maybe he's just a groomsman. He does say PEZ on both sides. Very cool looking dispenser. So until next time.